Hi, what's up guys? Eric and Brandon Deep Dead Off-Road. Doing another Kspeaker soundbar install today. Currently, well Brandon, we have these prior video too.
K66 Max.
This is the K66 Max and his X3. Currently I'm running the K100 in the KRX. And Kspeaker was a freaking awesome company, to say the least. We got a K66 Plus from them today. I'm really limited on space with my machine, so I've got to go with the shorter speaker, and I think this one here really fit the bill. Absolutely nothing wrong with the K100, but I also have a aftermarket RPM exhaust. Stupid loud.
Can't quite hear it.
I need stupid loud on my machine. So we're going to try this sucker out. And I'll do an unboxing here and we'll be right back.
Alright guys, we've unboxed the K66 Plus here. It's got almost all the, if you've watched our video on the K66 Max, it's very similar. If you look, the K66 Plus has this nice rail on the top that has several mounting points. These brackets just slide in, and then you can, well, I think I put it the wrong way there. They just slide in. Of course, let's try this side. There we go. Slide in, then you bolt them into place wherever you need them to. So there's a lot of adjustability there. You can move them into, I guess, what, 1, 2, 3 positions on each side.
Got the woofers on the sides.
Got woofers on the side. The front of the controls, you have a power button, EQ, Bluetooth button. That's a mode, I believe.
Yeah,
isn't it?
for your lighting.
And then you're up and down.
2 remotes, like every soundbar he sells.
Yep, 2 remotes, which is awesome. They give you some really nice, thick zip ties, way more than you'll need. The instruction manual is actually top notch. I mean, you can't mess it up looking at these. It's got everything listed you needed to do. Good graphics, easy to understand. They give you all the tools you need to put it in. Your wiring harness, and it has an inline fuse. What do we got here, Eric?
That's for your, that's how you connect the other
yeah, that's how
side
you
of it.
connect it in, yep. And then on the back, you also have, let's see what.
You got auxiliary in, auxiliary out.
You got auxiliary in, auxiliary out. You've got USB port. Yeah, and then that's your power cable, I believe. So.
Yep.
And then rubber coated brackets to go around your roll cage to mount.
Yeah, on yours we used 2. You can actually use 3 if you want.
Yep. And then it comes with safety cables. You can put a little extra layer of protection in case you think you might be rowdy enough to knock those brackets off, which they are super, super strong. So
yeah,
mine doesn't move at all.
So his lineup, if I'm not mistaken, goes K100. That's the budget-friendly bar. That's what's in the KRX. Still sounds great. It'd be perfect for like a golf cart, side by side with a factory exhaust. Then he's got a shorter one, like K66. Man, what takes it called?
I don't remember.
Yeah,
it's not just the K66.
It may be, and then you got the K66 Plus, K66 Ultra. So he's got 4 sound bars.
I think mine's a Max.
Oh yeah, Max. Yeah.
The Ultra might be the other one.
Yeah,
I think
it is. Yeah,
yeah.
the short
There's
one.
an Ultra and then the Plus and the
Max. Yeah, and then the K100. So plenty of options to choose from. They're all different price. So
they're all pretty budget friendly.
Yeah.
For the money, they sound awesome.
Yeah. So, well, we're gonna get the K100 pulled, get the K66 installed, and we'll be back.
We'll do a walk around after we're done so you can see it and hear it. We've got the K66 Plus installed into Eric's machine. Still got to run some zip ties on the cords and tuck that away, but you can see what it looks like running. The LED lights look super awesome, just like my K66 Max. Looks pretty sweet. Looks good. We had to mount it upside down because his cage is a little too narrow at the top without doing some modifications to it. So
Let's go over installation.
yeah, installation.
Installation,
Super easy.
ground to ground, positive to positive. It runs all the way up to the back. And
then
here's your,
there's a harness right there that you just plug together.
yep. Here's your inputs and outputs, USB. Like I said, I'll fancy all this wiring up here when we get off video. To mount it, there are different size rubbers for your different size of your cage or wherever you're mounting it. This is 1.5 inch, like this here is 1.75 inch. So you do have different options for your rubbers to make it tight.
Yeah, so if you get to a point where you're like, oh crap, these brackets don't fit, pull the rubbers out of both of the big brackets and the little brackets, because the rubber in the big bracket actually worked with the small bracket to get the size we needed. And if you pull those rubbers out of there, they're actually labeled
Inch and a half,
inch and a
2
half,
inch.
yep, to what you need. So
Yeah.
that's pretty helpful.
Yep, and my plan is also, everybody always asks this, I am going to wire up an external sub to this and an amp. We will do a video in the future when I get that finished. I know that's a big topic with any soundbar, not just Kspeaker, but yeah, I'm gonna throw a amp and a sub in this thing, explain how I done it, show you everything, and then I'll hopefully help a ton of people out. So,
Yep, heck yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
totally impressed.
This thing actually, like, we just did a side-by-side sound comparison with my 66 Max and this, and honestly, there's not
Not a whole lot of difference.
a whole lot of difference. I think the total volume might go a little higher on my Max, but not much. I mean, this is considerably louder than the, what was that other one, K100?
K100, yeah.
So, yeah, definitely.
Well, this one here also costs more, so
Yeah, it is a, yeah, it's a really nice speaker though. Looks awesome, I think.
yeah.
So, pretty killer.
I'll play a little snippet of music. Supposedly this isn't copyrighted, so I hope we don't get kicked
Yeah.
off YouTube. But
Yeah, non-copyrighted.
there she is, fully installed. Like I said, we'll button it up. If you guys are interested in anything Kspeaker, motorcycle speakers, soundbar, whatever he has, we do have a discount code set up with him. It's DNDOR for Deep and Dead Off-Road.
Make sure you use all capital letters too.
All capital letters, and you'll save, I think it's 20 bucks on everything, like store-wide. So, but I think that's about it for this video. And if you got any questions on the K66, which there's a Max or
Mine's a
Ultra?
Max, yeah.
Okay, Max. Or the K100, we also have another video on YouTube of those two soundbars. So,
Yep, feel free to, if you don't have any questions about them, send us a message on
yeah, just comment.
TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, whatever, and we'll if we can answer it, we will, and
If not, we'll find out.
we'll
So,
find out. Yeah,
Yeah,
they've been really responsive to us.
Yeah,
We've had-
Leon's a great guy to work with.
Yeah, so we've been really happy with them. So
Yeah.
we appreciate them sending us another one, and the two that they already sent us. So good people. So we definitely would like it if you guys would support them also. So all right, well,
Until next time.
yep, wraps it up. See you.